Hey y'all, come with me to prepare for a facial between one of two of my locations. I am the salon owner of Studio Plush and a brand new spa owner of Space by Studio Plush. Of course, sanitation is important, so I will always make sure to wash my hands before proceeding with any other sanitation practices. The thing that takes the longest is the steamer, so I do like to get that going first. And while that's starting, I'll go ahead and set up the bed with the linens. I like to prepare as I go, so I will get all of the linens out, set up my bed, all of the towels that I'm going to need. I'll go ahead and put those into the caddy, towel warmer, and then I'll just fold everything up and continue to get all the rest of my sanitation done as I go. And here is some footage of y'all watching me struggle with a fitted sheet, so have fun with that. I do my best every time, even though I know the fitted sheet will always win. I feel like I got it as close to a rectangle as I can, but that'll be good for now. It'll be ready for use, and at least it's clean. That's the most important part. So then I'll just keep folding up towels and finish the rest of my linen sanitation. Once I'm done folding all the towels, I'll go ahead and get the towels ready for the other rooms. We have 2 massage therapists, and they have couples massages coming up either that day or that weekend. So if I can, I'll go ahead and get their towel warmers filled up, so that way all they have to do is just wet them and get the towel warmer started. We have a pretty small spa location, but it's nice and cozy, comfortable, and quaint in our Grandview downtown area. I don't always always get to prep their rooms because, of course, I work in the salon side more. But if I can be able to book a combo service with them, a facial for one, facial, and they get a massage as well for the customer, then I love being able to combine forces with the massage therapist. So I'm grateful that I even have laundry to pick up from both rooms because it just shows me that we're getting busy. These massage therapists have been with us for, I'll say, maybe 5 or 6 months. And so just getting everything started literally from the ground up. This space actually used to be my first salon, and then we had a contractor come and put some walls up for the space. I asked lots and lots of questions with the city and everything, so it was just quite a structure to get going. You see me now going to the other location to put towels up where they belong. We do use towels for hand drying. Helps to save for the environment and for my pockets. Now it's time to get these mirrors nice and clean and streak free so that my lovely client can see their fresh face from their facial in a nice, clean, streak-free mirror. Every day, I like to set the atmosphere and smudge, either with a smudge spray or with sage, white sage, blue sage, palo santo, whatever I can, just to clear the space, clear any energy. I'll keep the back door open, and I just love to set the atmosphere, clear any dense energy that may be stuck in any corners of the room, and set intentions for the room. It's very peaceful, but after doing most of the cleansing, cleaning of the room and the environment, this is a step that is an absolute must. Breathing life into the room, setting intentions, moving energy around, bringing in life and love. And just getting everything set with intentions for the arrival of my clients. Now, I don't do this whole shebang in between every client. All the sanitation I fit in wherever I can. But yeah, for the most part, I love to set intentions in between. You guys can see now why I like to do the steamer in the very beginning, because it's just now finished after doing everything else. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that goes on when I am setting up for facial clients in the beginning of the day. I do love to set intentions still in between clients and just for the day. And then I look back in gratitude and move on about my day. Thank you guys again for coming with me, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.